After weeks of bitter cold, we might see a little warm up over the next few days.
But spending all that time below the freezing mark is having a lasting effect for some local fishermen. Reporting from the docks, here's NBC 10's Maddie Heimsch.
The freezing temperatures have caused Apponaug Cove to ice over, locking in the boats docked here and locking fishermen out of their livelihoods.
We're out of business right now, and we're at the hands of Mother Nature is regulating if we go to work or not in the next month or so.
For shell fishermen on Narragansett Bay,
we're trying to relieve the dock pressure from the ice that's formed in the cove.
The layer of ice sitting atop the cove is not only a barrier to work,
we're not making any money,
but an equipment hazard.
These things have to be pumping water, otherwise they blow up. And once that happens, then you're talking about expenses.
Apponaug Cove fishermen say they typically try to beat the cold, but this winter has been especially unpredictable.
We try and stay ahead of that by moving, but this year we didn't know it was going to be like this.
And it's not just the cove. Several sections of Narragansett Bay solidified thanks to January's frigid temperatures.
It is rare to have the bay really freeze up for a prolonged period of time. We haven't seen the bay freeze like it did this year since back in 2015.
The ice coverage concentrated in the Greenwich Bay and the East Bay. But Storm Team 10's Nick Russo says even a partial freeze doesn't happen often.
The freezing point of salt water is 28 degrees, so it's a lot harder for salt water to freeze.
The U.S. Coast Guard conducts ice-breaking operations for life-threatening emergencies and to keep federal navigation channels clear for commerce. But for private marinas and vessels...
That snow slowed us down, and then the ice locked us in.
In Warwick, Maddie Heimsch, NBC 10 News.
Wow.